Meta Pixel is a tracking tool that lets you monitor user actions and optimize ad campaigns on Meta platforms. First, create a Meta business account and set up a pixel in the Meta Events Manager to get your unique pixel ID. Then, in your Whop community dashboard, go to Settings, Integrations, Custom Code. Paste the MetaPixel base code you obtained from Meta Events Manager. This involves embedding a JavaScript code snippet to track user actions. Key fundamentals include understanding your pixel ID, which is a unique identifier for your tracking setup. Standard events like view content and purchase track user actions. Attribution tracks conversions back to your ads. To track specific events, use FBQ functions. For example, on a purchase page, trigger FBQ track purchase value 50 currency USD. Always ensure you have user consent via cookie banners to comply with GDPR. To enhance tracking and adapt to privacy changes, use the Conversions API or CAPI for server-side tracking that complements the browser-based pixel. CAPI is becoming mandatory for high-volume advertisers to comply with data privacy regulations. You can improve event matching between your pixel and CAPI, reducing discrepancies. As of late 2025, over 50% of Whop sellers use external tracking tools, often integrating through Whop's Community Hub feature. Be mindful of Whop's evolving API, which might require code updates. Key trends involve a shift toward privacy-first tracking and AI-driven analytics. Meta's AI tools now auto-optimize based on pixel data. Expect platforms like Whop to support no-code integrations. Future outlook suggests Meta will push VR ad tracking, and native pixel support might develop on Whop due to competition. Be aware that cookie deprecation could reduce browser pixel effectiveness, pushing towards CAPI and direct integrations. Remember, sustainability-focused communities are trending, using Pixel to track green conversions for ethical marketing.